Next, we're going to demonstrate our SmartSelfie technology, and this entails capturing a selfie. Part of our best practice at Smile Identity is ensuring that a user takes a selfie without any headgear or glasses that might cause some reflection, and in the end, the job to fail for a potential spoof. So as you can see, there are prompts on the screen to guide the user, and once I smile, the selfie will be automatically captured. On the device, we conduct two types of checks. We have blur and brightness detection. So brightness detection in case there's too much light or too little light, and we're not able to make out any features on the selfie captured by the user. And blur detection also just to ensure that the camera is not hindering the capturing of the selfie of the user. Once this is uploaded, again in the job list on the right-hand side, you'll be able to get a sense of what this particular action or activity by a user looks like. And as you can see here, the selfie was successfully registered. Now, just to explain a bit about what we do behind the scenes, we have algorithms that look for proof of liveness and spoof detection. So a proof of liveness algorithm checks to ensure that the photo being captured is of a real live human being. And this is the reason why we ask the user to smile as part of the final gesture before the selfie is captured. And we have spoof detection algorithms to make sure that the selfie captured is not a photo of a photo or a photo of a video.